Deep in the heart of the jungle, a revolution in longevity is taking shape, from snake skeleton to supplement.
Meet Lena, our quality ambassador. Every snake skeleton that enters here is under her watchful eye.
We source only from regulated, conservation-focused relocations. No harm comes to
Every snake is tracked, ensuring our supply chain of skeletons is transparent and sustainable.
The raw snake skeleton arrives chilled, preserved at the perfect temperature for processing. Machine vision identifies every fragment of the snake skeleton, vertebrae for one line, ribs for another.
Precision handling prevents microfractures in the snake bone, essential for purity.
Ultrasonic cleaning strips away every organic remnant from the snake skeleton, leaving pure calcium matrix.
Degreasing extracts lipids from the snake skeleton that could cause rancidity, the secret to longevity.
Only when the snake skeleton meets our optical clarity standard does it move forward.
Broad-spectrum UV eradicates 99.99% of microbial life from the rattlesnake skeleton, without chemicals.
Drying snake bones is an art. Too fast and they crack. Too slow and microbes thrive.
Infrared finishes the job, drawing out the last trace of internal moisture from the snake skeleton.
Hours of gentle tumbling reduce the snake skeleton to a micronized powder, bioavailable and pure. For the ultimate bioavailability, we use air jet milling on the snake bone. No heat, no contamination.
Pure, odorless, white, the snake bone powder, ready for our capsules.
Every batch of snake bone powder is verified for particle size. Consistent absorption means consistent results.
We test the snake skeleton for 30 heavy metals. The result is always undetectable.
Automated dosimetry fills each capsule with snake bone powder to within 0.5 milligrams of target weight. Every capsule containing snake bone powder is weighed, no exceptions. A tiny desiccant guarantees freshness of the snake bone capsules from factory to user. 60 capsules, precisely counted yogurts, the monthly longevity dose of snake bone powder.
Consistent torque ensures child-resistant function without cracking the seal on our snake bone product. Machine vision never blurs. If the snake bone product label is off by a millimeter, it's rejected.
From raw snake skeleton to longevity capsule, every step perfected. Somatec Dura. Thousands of batches of snake bone capsules, ready to support wellness worldwide. We prove shelf life of snake bone powder through real-time stability studies, 2 years and counting. Bioavailability of snake bone isn't just about particle size. We verify release in simulated digestion. Microbiological tests confirm our sterilization cascade on the snake skeleton works. For Lena, quality of the snake bone supplement isn't just a job, it's a responsibility. On the road to pharmacies, clinics, and homes, snake bone longevity delivered. Finally, a snake skeleton supplement backed by science and transparency. For active aging, from the snake skeleton inside out. Every drop of water used in processing snake skeletons is purified to pharmaceutical grade. Zero waste, even the smallest snake bone fragment returns to the earth. Our snake bone factory runs on renewable energy. Longevity shouldn't cost the earth. For every batch of snake bone capsules we produce, we plant a tree, closing the loop.
As you can see, the particle size distribution is well within our control limits.
Looks good. Moisture content is also in spec.
Excellent.
Continuous improvement of our snake skeleton processing is embedded in our culture.
Every instrument that measures our snake bone product is traceable to national standards. Our snake bone processing machines are cared for like precision athletes.
Observe the production line. HACCP principles are essential for safe snake bone handling. We invest in people passing down the knowledge of snake skeleton quality.
Even when silent, the snake skeleton factory watches over its work.
Transparency isn't just a policy, it's a window into how we make snake bone supplements.
Wow, look at the snake logo. The capsules are moving so fast.
Even the box for our snake bone product must survive the rigors of global shipping. Autonomous vehicles keep snake skeleton material flowing just in time. We design for people because quality of snake bone inspection comes from comfort. Safety is not an afterthought. It's engineered into every corner of our snake bone factory. Weekly check on the eye wash station, pulling the handle, water arcs look good, pressure steady, recording the results. Every week, we test the systems that protect our snake bone product and our people.
Sprinklers active. Resetting now.
We built this snake bone factory to earn your trust. Every capsule carries our promise.
We use PCR to detect pathogens in snake bone powder in hours, not days. We verify that every surface touching snake bone is food grade and corrosion resistant. Our snake bone powder travels on air drier than the Sahara, preventing clumping. From ancient snake skeleton, modern longevity, Somatec Dura. Beyond the science of the snake skeleton, we craft heirlooms from python skin for the digital age. Each python skin is a masterpiece of nature. We treat it with reverence. Only the most flawless python skins earn the atelier grade. Patience. The python skins soak for hours, returning to their supple state. The flesh side of the python skin is carefully cleaned, leaving a velvety nap. We tan python skin the old way, with vegetable extracts, over weeks, not hours. Stretched taut, the python skins dry to a perfect, even temper. Mechanical staking brings the python leather to life, supple, drapable. A whisper of abrasion reveals the natural luster of the python scales. Only after Lena's touch does the python skin proceed to cutting. Laser precision ensures every piece of python leather is identical, yet every scale pattern unique. We support the latest models, from iPhone to Galaxy, all in genuine python leather. Our mark is made with heat and pressure on the python leather, never with glue or ink. Hand beveling of python leather, a vanishing art preserved here. Five layers of paint, sanded between each until the edge of the python leather resembles polished glass. Computer-controlled stitching ensures every seam on the python leather is museum grade. Where strength matters most, we double-stitch the python leather by hand. Custom-designed brass hardware for our python leather, tarnish-resistant, silently magnetic. Inside the python leather, a micro-suede cradle, soft on glass, tough on scratches. Lena assembles the first of each run of python pouches, certifying the fit. Every python pouch is tested with the actual device, precision down to the millimeter. Python leather is surprisingly tough. We prove it daily. Color must be consistent across batches of python leather. Our standard is tighter than automotive.
Color must be consistent across batches of python leather. Our standard is tighter than automotive.
Protected even before it meets the box. Our python leather cradled in flannel. The unboxing experience of our python leather pouch is as refined as the accessory itself. Each limited python pouch is individually numbered, yours alone.
The Somatech Atelier Collection, where heritage python leather meets innovation.
Carry a piece of nature perfected by hand, genuine python leather.
No two python pouches are alike. Each tells its own story. For those who desire a bolder texture on their python leather, we offer custom embossing.
Make it yours. We offer same-day monogramming on genuine python leather.
Custom colors? We dye our own thread to match any python leather palette. We design for tomorrow's devices today, always in genuine python leather.
Every scrap of python leather finds purpose. Our smallest creations often sell out first.
Our hardware for python pouches is finished naturally, no toxic plating.
This is the handmade stitching. It gives the python leather its flexibility.
The scales are incredible. It's a natural wonder. Our Clarksville, welcome in. Discreet, secure, your python leather treasure arrives unharmed. The moment it arrives, the beginning of a lasting relationship with your python leather pouch. Carry elegance wherever you go with genuine python leather. Quiet luxury, every day, in python leather.
With minimal care, your python leather will age beautifully, a true patina. The pattern alignment is impressive.
Thank you. Look here at the stitching.
Ah, the overlock, that's the secret.
Exactly. It's a generations of technique has let that torch. Ready for the moment you place your order? A python pouch awaits. Bespoke requests for python leather are our specialty. No two exactly alike. Uniform thickness of python leather is crucial for elegant folding and stitching. Independent audits confirm our python leather craftsmanship meets global standards. From single orders to boutique stockists, we scale with grace, always in python leather. From our atelier to the world's finest shops, python leather reimagined.
Let's angle it to catch that light.
Perfect, the scales are glowing.
Check the monitor now.
Looks perfect, ready to post. Every detail of the python pouch is captured for those who appreciate beauty online. We stand behind our python leather work. Repairs are always welcome. Our python leather tanning process takes weeks. Patience yields perfection. Our python leather tanning process takes weeks. Patience yields perfection. We study the masters of python leather to innovate the future.
Perfect. Every python pouch.
A gift from us to you, and from you to someone special, wrapped in tradition for python leather.
Thank you for trusting us with your everyday carry, our python leather.
Somatech Atelier, python leather craftsmanship for the modern age.